Many people today look for snacks that are both delicious, healthy, and affordable, especially children. They do not like eating vegetables. However, most available snacks are oily, unhealthy, or expensive. Good day to all. My name is Nige S. Monteroso, and we are here to introduce our business proposal. It's all about Squash Cheese Bites that offers a delicious and affordable snack made from squash and cheese. This product combines the natural sweetness of squash with the creamy taste of cheese, making it healthy, enjoyable for students, workers, and families. In our business and product overview about the business, our business name is Dipolog Squash Treats. Product name is Squash Cheese Bites. The location from Dipolog City, Philippines, 2026, and category healthy snack food. Product highlights: golden crispy outside, soft cheesy inside. Made with real squash and cheese, rich in vitamins and nutrients, affordable from 25 pesos to 85 pesos per serving, bite size, easy to eat and share, eco-friendly packaging. Customer problem and need. Unhealthy snack. Most street snack or foods are oily, fried, and low in nutrition. Expensive healthy food, nutritious alternatives are often too costly for students. Kids avoid vegetables. Some children and young consumers reject vegetables in their diet. So our solution is Squashies Bites because it is affordable, nutritious, also delicious, and kid-friendly.
So, sir, I am John Bernard Amay, and I'm going to tackle about our product and service design. And our identity needs is the student and worker who wants cheap and tasty and healthy snacks. And our generate ideas is still local ingredients, which is the squash. It's because it is affordable and nutritious. And our select best ideas is the squash cheese bites. It is simple and low cost and also attractive to the buyers or the customers. And our developed concept, which is the crispy outside, soft cheesy inside, and bite-sized snacks. And our improved design is the added cheese for a flavor and improved texture and crispiness of our product. And then our finalist product is to be ready to eat and affordable, sellable in school canteens. And our target market, which is the student who ages 10 to 22 years old, and especially workers in the offices, which ages 22 to 40 years old, and especially the families or the household or all ages. And our buyer profile age range 10 to 40 years old, and the gender is female and male, or, or all the genders in our society. And the income level of our customer is the low to middle. And our lifestyle and preference is we prepare quick, ready to eat snacks, affordable and tasty, some healthy option. And our market trends and competitors. Growing healthy snack demands. So consumers increasingly seek nutritious option. There. online delivery sales, which we conduct here, the TikTok, Facebook, and food apps drive snack discovery. Then we have Instagrammable food, so which means visually appealing snack gain viral attraction. So our competitive comparison is the our first competitor of our product is the street food, which is the fishbowl and quack quack. Yes, the price is very cheap. The nutrition of the street food is low, and the accessibility of the street food is high, and the age between our product and the street food is less healthy because our product is more healthy and nutritious. And the second competitor, which is the bakery product. So yes, the price is very affordable, and the nutrition is medium, and the accessibility is medium. So our graph is less unique because our product is unique. And the last competitor of yeah no and this is our squash cheese bites, which is our product. The price is very affordable, and the nutrition is high because it made of the squash, and we know the squash is very healthy to our body, especially to the kids. And the accessibility is growing. Yes, growing. And our ages, we are unique and nutritious food. And it's not. And that's all my part. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am reporting SWOT analysis, marketing plan, and HR plan. So, we have a SWOT analysis, we have strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, our strengths is affordable, locally sourced ingredients, and unique squash plus cheese combination, nutritious, rich in vitamins, simple production process, and eco-friendly packaging. This we have weaknesses. So we have a short shelf life, best eaten fresh. So lami siya kanon pag fresh pa tas init pa siya nga kuan. Tas we have a not yet well known in market, so dili pa kay siya kilala sa mga market. So we have limited production capacity. So our capacity business can only produce 100 packs per day, like 100 packs per day, because the business has only one oven and a small number of workers. So we have this requires consistent ingredient supply. So nanghihanglan jud siya og jud siya kanunay nga supply sa ingredients. So we have opportunities. So our opportunities is growing demand for healthy snacks. So nowadays, many people prefer healthier snacks options instead of junk foods. So we have these opportunities online selling via social media like mga Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, like that. So we have this student and school market expansion. So we have this have strong potential. Kusog siya sa mga eskwelahan because affordable siya, tas mga nutritious pa gid siya and easy to eat during breaks or snacks time. So we have this unique Instagrammable food trend. So we have this because of the attraction of the color of our products and cheese filling and bite-sized appearance. Yeah, we have that. So our treats is mini snacks competitors, no? So we have competitors, mga lain-laing mga snacks sa mga kuan, another snacks sa mga another product. So can we kompetensya. So we have this kuan, we have these threats of rising ingredient prices. So mga taas gyud siya kaning mo taas ang mga presyo sa mga ingredients. So we have this changing consumer taste preference. So mga mupalit is ganahan sila lain-laing sila mga kuan mo mutilaw na po sila laing mga flavor sa mga kuan sa mga another product or sa amuang product. So we have this kuan seasonal squash availability. So dili siya kanunay na ay dili siya perminti kanunay na ay available nga product. So we have that. We have this so marketing plan. So our marketing plan, we have brand identity. So the brand identity we have cheesy goodness in every bite. So that is our brand identity. The our brand is squashes foods, like we have squash, cheese, and healthy ingredients. We have this personality friendly, healthy, affordable, and fun and delicious. This and we have these channels: direct selling, community stores, school contents, online messenger. So we have social media marketing like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, short food videos, giveaways, and promo discounts. So we have that. So we have and then we have students promotions, like we discounts during lunch breaks and social events and school events, like that. So we have this referral program. So recommend a friend, get free pieces or discounts. So mga friend nimo na imong i-recommend para mapaligya. So tas tagan po nimo og mga discount sila. So we have this one. And lastly, we have this online selling promos, like buy 2 take 1 and bundle promos through online orders. So we have bundle like that. So last report is HR plan. So we have total staff 5 persons. So we have owner, manager, production staff, and sales staff, and finance and inventory. So the roles of owner and manager is they manage all operations, sets goals, handles budgeting and decision making, like that. So production staff, katulong kuan staff. So production staff, they prepares ingredients, cooks squash cheese bites, maintain cleanliness, like that. So sales staff, so the roles of sales staff is they sales products, take orders, entertain customer, and they promote products. So and lastly, the finance and inventory. They records daily sales. They record sales, manage inventory and supplies, prepares reports. So they manage inventory and supplies and prepares reports. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day, I'm Wazel A. Rubia, and my assigned part is the operational plan and financial plan of our business proposal. The operation plan explains how the business will run every day to make and sell squash cheese bites. The business will have a total of 5 staff members. The owner or manager will handle the overall operations, budgeting, and decision making. 2 production staff will prepare ingredients, cook the products, and maintain cleanliness in the workplace. 1 sales staff will entertain customers, take orders, and promote the product. 1 finance and inventory staff will record sales, manage supplies, and prepare reports. The business expects to sell around 40 to 60 packs per day, while the production capacity can reach 80 to 100 packs daily. The weekly target is about 300 to 400 packs, showing that the business is prepared to meet customer demand. The production process starts from receiving materials, preparing and cooking the squash, mixing the ingredients, forming bites, frying, cooling, packing, and distributing the product. The chosen location near JRMSU is strategic because of the high student traffic and affordable rental cost. Next is financial plan. The financial plan shows the estimated income, expenses, and profit of the business. The estimated monthly sales are 61,500 while the monthly operating expenses are 40,000. After deducting the expenses from the sales, the estimated monthly net profit is 21,500. The business also needs a launch cost of 40,000 as starting capital for equipment, ingredients, and other business needs. The pricing structure is made affordable for students and families. A pack of 5 pesos costs 25, 10 pesos costs 45 pesos, and the family box costs of 85. These prices are competitive and suitable for customers looking for affordable and tasty snacks. Overall, the financial plan shows that the business has the potential to earn profit while keeping the products budget friendly for customers. That's all. Thank you.
Today, everyone, my name is Zaini Chipinotor. I will discuss my topic in the business lunchtime and also contribution. First month preparation. In the first month, we focus on the foundation and the business and includes a recipe that's been finalized at the best version in your product, packaging design to create your brand identity, and the business registration to the legal operate in the Polog City. And second month, lunch. In the second month, we move into the action. We will introduce the all necessary cooking equipment, begin initial stock productions, and also soft opening introduce a sweet cheese bites to first customer to gather the early feedback. Third month, the marketing in the month of 3 is fully active in your marketing efforts. We launch on social media, come on the Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and roll out and student promotes and discounts, and begin to add 3 to enter this cool campaigns to reach a primary target. 4 to 6 month grow. From the month of 4 to 6, focus to shift and grow and improvement to expand through the online selling platform to introduce the promo bundles to boost sales and continues to gather the customer feedback to improve the products and service. Product solutions. The vegetables it used are producible locally and able to ingredients to follow the simple production to process the required only 4,400 startup capital. Beneficials. It is a beneficial to customer. It because the nutrition's tasty and convenient to healthy snacks and sustainable to all age from children to adults. Profitability is applicability. It is financially in the business project a monthly need income of 21,500 which improves it can sustain itself to grow over the time. Profitable. It is the strong and constant and demand from the student, worker, and families who are looking affordables and enjoyable snack options every day. And lastly, operational. Operational is the simple with the 5 staff members and basic kitchen equipments and the business can run efficiently from day one. And the square cheese bite, it's not just a snack. It is a healthy, affordable, and delicious solution every day. We need to live and business with a strong potential to grow and make real impact in the community. And that is all. Thank you.